welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm Ellie. Today I'm going to show you guys a very small Dollar Tree haul. I wanted to show you guys these items because although it's a very small haul, they are super cute and I feel like you guys definitely need to go grab them. I went to Dollar Tree with a specific intention. I'm looking for one more of the white sticker crates that I had hauled probably like months and months ago from Dollar Tree. They're kind of like connecting crates where you can like just kind of connect them. And I need one more to fit at the very end of my planner desk. And it's the perfect size, and they work so well for my happy planner stickers. So I'm kind of on the hunt for those. I did not find it, but I did find a different set of baskets and I'm like, I don't need them, but I'm going to grab them anyway because they were the last few left. So I was like, okay, let me take them. And I've actually been thinking about like revamping my planner area. So I'm looking for like new accessories, new decor. I kind of want to change a lot of things out, but I'm also kind of struggling with the color theme. I'm like, I don't know if I should start gearing out of the pink. You guys know I love blue. It's my favorite color. I kind of want to gear into that area, but I also am loving like the neutrals and the nudes, a little bit more of a sophisticated look, especially I guess because my dining room is like the walls are beige, the dining table is brown, so I'm like, should I just try to like match that? But I don't know. So whenever I figure it out, I will definitely share all those changes with you guys. But for now, I bought these. I couldn't resist it. They are so cute, you guys. They're actually a really good little size. And technically, I think I can change them out from my current Happy Planner stickers because I did test them and they will fit in here. They're just a little bit more on the shorter length, so they'll fit less books, basically, is what I'm trying to say. But I picked 6 of them up and all 6 fit in that little space. So I'm going to test it out. I'm going to see what I like more. And then we'll just kind of figure it out from there. But look at how cute these baskets are. They are so pretty. And it's the perfect pink in my opinion. So like they have this beautiful detail here. These almost look like little snowflakes. You have like almost like a floral. They're embossed. It's really good plastic, and I think they're actually stackable because yeah, I think if you put them this way, they can stack. See, they kind of do hold. This way they don't stack though. I thought they were maybe stackable because of these little edges, but they're very sturdy. They're very strong, and they were the last 6 left. So I just took them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So 6 of these. Very cute, you guys. So if you guys are in need of some really good quality baskets, I definitely recommend that you go to your local Dollar Tree and pick these up because I'm pretty sure the pink is probably the most popular color. But yeah, so I picked up 6 of these, and then I got the cutest stickers, and I was beating myself up because I was like, oh my gosh, I probably should have got like 3 more packs. These Valentine stickers are so cute. They have like little bears on them. I mean, look at how adorable these are. I was like, why did I not get 2 more? They did have other little designs, but this was my favorite one, especially these little bears here. They were my favorite. Even this little bear that looks, he has kind of like a floral wreath around him. Look at her with her little crown. Just the cutest little sticker sheet. So if you guys love this sheet, definitely go get it at your local Dollar Tree. And then lastly, what I got were these trapping mats. I've been wanting to pick these up because I've seen some planner girls do like frosted dividers, and I've always wanted to make my own, especially like for when I have my ring planners. I like to have them towards the front and towards the back because it keeps my paper from either like bending or folding. It'll keep it nice and sturdy. So I'm like, okay, let me pick these up. Let me try to make some frosted dividers, and then we'll see how they turn out. If they turn out really good, then I know that I can go pick some more of these up. So you get a set of 2 pieces, and these are 11 inches by 14 inches. That's 28 centimeters by 36 centimeters. So it's a really good length. I'm thinking depending on the size that you want to do, you can definitely do some of like the A5s with the 5 rings. You can also probably do two large A5 ones. And then you have room to do the little tabs. So we'll test it out. We'll see. I ended up picking up 3 sets, so 6 mats total. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah. And again, they're like that perfect little frost, so they're nice and strong. So we'll see. But yeah, as far as my Dollar Tree haul goes, that's all I picked up, you guys. I tried to resist from buying a lot of stuff, but yeah, just kind of got what I wanted and what I needed. But that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.